well, they've been on for a week. They've still got like brand new tread, pretty much. There they are, all shined up, cleaned up, restored. 2003 ZQ8 wheels on a 91 square body dime. I love them. No spacers at all. That's just how they're offset. They fit great. The only thing I need to do is get some more of the twist lock plastic lug nuts that'll take those. Yeah, whoop-de-doo. But man, they look good. They look good. 245 50/16s in the rear, and they're 225 50/16s in the front. Just a little bit of offset in the rear, or just a wider tire. I don't mean offset, just a little wider, just a little more rubber there. Love it. That's after like 2 weeks of beating and pounding and sanding and grinding and taping and painting and priming, etch priming, black on the inside. I love them. Love them. So there they are. And I'm not getting rid of them. I got a speeding fine. The last week I had the IROC wheels on, and well, I sold the IROC wheels and paid for the speeding fine. So long story short, these are the only rims I have now, and I'm okay with that.